Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use multiple parameters in our methods. So in the previous tutorial we have created one more new class which was called as the mynewclass.java, and in the previous few tutorials I have mentioned that this parentheses right here is actually used to display or in order to pass in a parameter. Now in this tutorial we are going to use a parameter in this method, and we are going to learn what parameters are and why they are used. So in this tutorial we are going to create a simple program which is going to accept the name from the user in this method right here. Then it is going to pass in our name to this method which is called as the display message, and it is going to do so by using a parameter, and then it is going to actually print out a message saying hello and our name. So let's go ahead and start with the tutorial. So the first thing which we need to do in order to accept the name from the user, we are going to use a scanner. So we type scanner, let's name the scanner as SC, then we type this equals new scanner, and inside it we type system.in. Now this line of code right here is nothing but we have created an object of the scanner class. Now once we are done with this, the next thing which we do is that we ask the user to enter his name. So we type system.out.println, and inside it we type enter your name. Now once it is done, the next thing which we do is that we actually need to store this name into some variable. So in order to store an integer, we have used a variable which was called as int, but in order to store a name, as the name is a string, we use a variable of the type string. So we type string, then type name of the variable, let's say name, then we type this equals sc dot next. Now in order to accept the integer values, we have specified the scanner object name dot next int, and that is because it was for accepting integer. But if we use next, as you could see, next is basically used in order to accept a string. So we type sc.next, and it is going to accept the name from the user, and it is going to store the name into the string variable. So once we have the name with us, the next thing which we want to do is that we want to pass in this name to this method right here. So in order to pass in, as I've already mentioned, we need to pass this name as a parameter to this method. So we type here string, and what we want to pass is going to be the name, so we type string name. And now inside this method we are going to use the same name in order to display our message. So we go right here and then we type system.out.println, and we are going to display the message as hello. And then finally, as we want to display the variable name, we type a plus and then type in name. So what this line of code is going to do is that it is going to take the value which is stored in this variable called name. It is going to print it out here. So what this line of code does is that it says hello, and it is going to display the name which we have passed. Now once we have this method set up, we actually need to call this method inside this class. So for calling this method inside this class, the first thing which we need to do is that we need to create object of this class right here. So in order to create an object, we go right here and then we type the class name, which is mynewclass. Then we name the object as, let's say, mynewclass object. Then we type this equals new mynewclass. So once we have created the object of the new class, the next thing which we need to do is that we need to use this object name to call this method which is called as display message. So we use this object name. So we type the object name, which is mynewclass object. Then in order to use a method inside it, we type dot, and we are going to use a method which is called as display message. And to this we are actually going to pass in the name, as we want to display the name. So we type name over here. So now once we are done with this, we save the code, and when we run this code, as you could see, it is going to ask us for a name. So my name is Ashutosh. So I type in my name and press enter, and as you could see, it is displaying hello Ashutosh. And the thing is that actually we need to have a space here so that it displays my name properly. So I gave a space right here. And now if we save the code and we try to run it again, it is again going to ask my name. So I type in my name, press enter, and as you could see now, it is displaying my name in a proper format. So that's basically how you use parameters, or how you pass parameters to a method. So let's go ahead and revise what we have done in this tutorial. So the first thing which we needed to do is that we needed to accept the input from the user. So we have created a scanner object which is called as SC. Then we have displayed a message to the user so as to prompt him to enter his name. Then we have used the scanner object to store the name of the user. Then the next thing which we did is that we went on to this myNewClass.java, and as this method right here wants to display the name, we have passed in the name from the parameter section. So we have typed string name, and finally in order to display the name we have used system.out.println. So it says hello, and this name right here is going to get passed over here. So once this is done, in order to use the method of this class, inside this class we have created an object of the new class right here. So my new class object is the object of this class right here, and when the object is created we have used this object in order to call the method inside it. So this method right here is going to actually display the message, and as it is going to accept a name, we have passed in the name which we have just saved over here. So that's basically how you use methods with parameters. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys understood how to create a method with a parameter. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.